Thank you for coming back to watch my video. The clips you're about to see are real-life traffic collision incidents. Watch them carefully and take away valuable lessons and experiences to help you stay safe on the road. On the screen, we can see a long line of vehicles waiting at a red light. As you can see, a motorcycle comes speeding in at extremely high speed and crashes into a car. A large motorcycle suddenly appeared in a lane meant for cars. What happened next was completely unexpected. Fortunately, the driver of the car behind managed to brake just in time. Otherwise, there's no telling what could have happened. Perhaps God was watching over that young man. This is the blind spot of a truck, something that almost everyone knows about. Fortunately, the truck was moving at a slow speed, and the driver was alert enough to realize the dangerous situation in time. That was extremely lucky for the young man in this situation, wasn't it? If there had been more vehicles behind at that moment, it's hard to imagine what would have happened. He might have been rear-ended by a vehicle behind him while stopped at the red light, which could have led to a chain reaction collision. This is another situation, and it keeps happening on this road. Whether the light is green or red, you should never be careless. If you found this video helpful and interesting, please leave a comment and share it.
Блять, ты чё? Сука, пидор, блядь.
Do you see how they are riding without paying attention at all?
Sometimes just a little bit of self-respect. Now it's my time to step out of my comfort zone. Take a chance.
A vehicle had broken down in the middle of the road, and for some reason the young man didn't see it. Fortunately, it was only a minor collision, and no one was killed. In your opinion, who should be held responsible in this situation, considering that the car was driving in the correct lane and had clearly signaled its intentions? The road was clearly clear, yet neither driver kept their speed under control, which led to the collision. Fortunately, both drivers were very understanding and settled the matter peacefully with a handshake. These two young men handled the situation wonderfully.
Он сам орать будет, он тоже любит. Блять, ты чё ж делаешь?
Через 10 минут позвонила. Ходить с тобой в магазин.
Ебать!
Че, уехал?
Sometimes, all you need is a little bit of confidence. Sometimes, just a little bit of self-respect. Now it's my time to step out of my comfort zone, take a chance. When I saw you coming out of the school that day, I knew you'd never be mine. It's just me in my own skin. Nobody's buying my lies, but that's no surprise. It's just me in my own skin.
拉哥的女人叫大嫂，